Hi, I'm Carl Heastie, Speaker of the New York State Assembly. I'm happy to be a part of Bronx Community College's Power of Perseverance campaign to encourage Bronxites to stay strong as we continue to navigate our way through this crisis. BCC, along with the entire CUNY network, is integral to the functioning of our community. For decades, they have provided higher education opportunities to better the lives of the already strong, smart, tough, and hardworking people of the Bronx. Despite these difficult times, BCC continues to provide their students with a quality education to ensure that they are prepared for the future. While dealing with this epidemic, we have come together to help those who need us most and shown how resilient we are as a community. We will get through this together and come out stronger.